Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is part of my stick vacuum cleaner from Ezetek. Let me go over a few things with you that has really stood out to me about this remarkable vacuum cleaner. Anything that makes cleaning quick and easy is a win-win in my book. This is a lightweight yet powerful stick vacuum cleaner. It has a ton of attachments, endless possibilities when it comes to cleaning. I have literally used this all over my house. It's so lightweight and maneuverable, I could even vacuum from my wheelchair. My husband loves all the different tools it came with, and he found lots of uses for them, including hard to reach places like way inside our cupboard. It's powerful and it moves easily from floor to carpeting. I have a dog who loses a lot of fur every day, but I was impressed by how well this vacuum cleaner removed that fur from even the carpet, and you can see it right there. It's also so fast with charging. It even gives you a counter to tell you how much is left. And for long hairs that get stuck in the vacuum cleaner, they conveniently give you a tool that makes quick work of removing even long hairs from the brushes. The charge is long enough for me to get everything clean that I need to, and the fact that it's battery operated, there's no cord. I can take it outside into the garage to clean my car. I can use it on the couch. I can use it in the kitchen if I'm cooking and I drop something on the floor. This is an amazing stick vacuum cleaner. Whether you're getting it for yourself or giving it as a gift, you will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.